The holidays are here. What's one credit card you'd recommend, Clint?
I polled everyone at the Points Guy, and Chase Freedom Flex Card is among the top cards for everybody. The reason why is they do a rotating category bonus. So right now you get up to 5% back or 5 times points on certain categories of purchases, up to $1,500 in purchases. But one of the categories this year, just like last year, is PayPal. So what people do is they use PayPal for all their purchases, but that PayPal card is linked back to their Chase card. So they're essentially paying for PayPal via Chase, and they're getting 5 times points, 5% cash back. It's a pretty good deal. Really hard to top that.
So what are some tips for people that are shopping online this holiday season?
Do all your online shopping through a portal of some kind, whether that's a credit card portal or it's an airline portal that gives you bonus points or cash back for shopping through the portal. So instead of going straight to Saks Fifth Avenue, for example, you would go to a third party like Rakuten. You would look for Saks Fifth Avenue offers on Rakuten. It would say, oh, today you get 15 times points on Saks Fifth Avenue purchases. Then you would click on their button on Rakuten's page. That would take you to Saks Fifth Avenue, but the cookies would be attached to your name going to the retailer that you're shopping with, and you end up getting cash back for those purchases or bonus points or however you want to do it.
Gotcha. So way more rewards, way more cash back, way more points if you do it through the portal.
Right.
A lot of people are going to be traveling this season.
Yeah.
Is there a credit card you'd recommend for people that are doing that?
Absolutely. My go-to credit card for travel spending is American Express Platinum. Now, there's a couple caveats. You have to book directly with the airline, but every time I do that, I'm getting 5 times American Express membership rewards points on every travel purchase. So for me, that's a no-brainer. I don't have to think about it. It's like getting 5% cash back at the very least, depending on what you do with those points.
I shop on Amazon all the time.
Yeah.
And every time I check out, they offer that Amazon credit card. Is that something I should consider?
I do think it's worth it to have that credit card. I've got that credit card before when I was doing a big purchase at Amazon, and there was a bonus offer. Right now, there's a bonus offer. You get $200 back for spending and opening the card. So that's a no-brainer to me. Just remember, it's going to be a hard pull on your credit. So you want to, if you have other better credit card offers that you want to go for, maybe that's not the best card for you. But if you're not going to open any other credit cards anytime soon, that's a great offer. And especially if you're a big Amazon shopper. The other thing I will say is, I know American Express right now has bonus points on Amazon purchases, so always check those offers first to see which is a better deal.
I got a lot going on.
Yeah.
I don't want to think about anything this holiday season. What card should I get?
So I think the Venture X card is a really good idea for most consumers. You get 1% when you make the purchase, you get 1% when you pay it back. That's a straight 2% cash back card. No brainer.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Clint.
Thank you.